Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Honda CR-V. First, gather your jumper cables and a second vehicle with a charged battery. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral with the parking brakes engaged. Then, locate your Honda CR-V's battery, which is typically found under the hood, often on the passenger side. Safety is key, so double-check these initial steps before proceeding. Now, let's connect the cables. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your dead Honda CR-V battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Then, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Honda CR-V, away from the battery, like a metal bracket or engine block. With the cables securely connected, start the engine of the working vehicle. Let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your Honda CR-V's battery. After this charging period, try to start your Honda CR-V. If it doesn't start immediately, give it a few more minutes of charging time before attempting to start it again. Be patient, as sometimes it takes a little extra time. Once your Honda CR-V starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First the negative from your CR-V, then the negative from the good battery, followed by the positive from the good battery, and finally the positive from your CR-V. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes to help fully recharge the battery. Also, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. It's wise to have your battery and charging system professionally inspected soon to prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.